looking at the CellMaster 6 amp hour, like non-OEM batteries. These have an indicator on the back, and I've tested these in a bunch of different OEM Dewalt devices, and we're gonna show you, and even in non-OEM Dewalt devices, these work. They come in a 2-pack, this is like the box it comes in. I even tried it with my blower here, totally fine. No issue at all. I'll show you, take you, this one's stuck in there. This one's always a problem to get them out. So that's not a, a thing to the battery, that's actually just that. But these are what the batteries look like, okay? They have the OEM handle here. We'll even throw it in one of these here. Works completely fine, okay? If you look at the fit is pretty good. Like if you really look at that seam there, it looks really good. And the next thing we're gonna do is actually we're gonna test this out. So I got one of these and we're gonna go over here, come on. And we're gonna run this giant lag into a 6x6. Now this company makes non-OEM batteries for a lot of other companies as well, like Milwaukee is another one. I think it was Ryobi. So they make a bunch. I'll put a link to these down below, these batteries. They come in a 2-pack. But what we're gonna do now is, if you see this, I built this, and this is bowed up a little bit. So we actually need to sort of bring this down. So I'm gonna run this screw into here. And actually, you know what instead we're gonna do? Let's come over here. We're gonna run it through here. Oh, so we got 2 6x6s, long screw. There you go. So I will put a link to these down below. I have a $10 off coupon. It's called Raw Family, but I'll put it in a pinned comment down below. If you want to pick these up, I'll put a link down below. Like I said, I'm out.